Okay guys, so welcome to the series of JavaScript logic building. Here we are going to learn how to build a logic. Like we know many of us know the read the problem, we know about the problem, but we are not able to implement the solution for it. We are not able to think where we have from where we have to start. So we will learn how to build logic in JavaScript and how to think about the problem. So without any further ado, I am going to start the series with the first question. So the first question is, we have to loop over a string on even indexes. So this is the string, and we have to loop over the indexes that are even. So first of all, what we should know is we have to loop, so we have to use a loop. You can use any loop here. I am using for loop. So I am assuming that you know the basic syntax of JavaScript. You have a little knowledge about JavaScript loops, functions, and the basic core concepts. Okay, so here I have created a loop that will start with 0, and we will be going towards the length of the entire string, and after each action we are going to increment the loop. Okay, so I have to console it. We know that how to uh, access the value of a string characters, like we can do it like this, and later we can use the character. Like if I will use 0, then I can access h. If I will do 1, I can access e. If I will do 2, then l, so and so on. Okay, so now I have to do this only. Instead of giving the values hard coded, I am going to give the index. It is going to do my work of giving the values. Let's run it. So you can see I have reached hello world, and I have also reached undefined. Okay, so the problem is I don't have to put an equal to here. I have to keep the length short only. The string's length is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. So 11 times my loop should run, and it is running 12 times. Now I removed it, so now it is running 11 time only. Okay, if now, but this is not the solution of the problem. My problem is I have to loop over even indexes, so I will be making a function called check even. Here I am going to pass the index, like 1 2 3, whatever we are getting in the loop. Okay, and here I have to check if the past index is even. So we have to divide a number by 2 and see that if the remainder is 0, so we can use a modulo operator, which directly gives us the remainder. So if it is 0, so means the number is even. This is basic concept of maths. Then we have to return true here, that yes, it is an even number. Okay, so now we can use this entire function in this for loop. So we can write like, if check even is true, we have to pass the index here. So if it is true, then only it is going to go inside this block. If it's true, then we have to print the number. So a little mistake in my syntax. Yeah, now it's solved. Now when I will run the code, so it will go inside. First it will be checking if the index is even or not. If it is not even, then nothing will happen. If it is even, then I am going to return a true, and this true is going to execute the 13th line. It is going to go in the block. So let's run it. Yeah, here we have done the question, so we are only going towards the even places. Okay, so now I have a question for you. I have a problem for you. Like now you can see here are line breaks, but we don't want line breaks here. We want the entire result in a single line. Okay, so this is the question for you, and how you can solve it. I'm telling you the hint. You can make a new variable. Don't call it const. Called it let new str is equals to this, and now you have to append the result in str of I in new string, and once you are all out of the loop you have to print it. Okay, so like that your code is going to be your problem is going to be solved. So we are going to bring more interesting problems here. This was just startup, and please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and comment, and happy coding. Thank you.